Hey, this is Capone De Leon with the Better Texas, and we're here with our rideshare adventures. We took a ride out here about, 48 miles from San Antonio to Bandera, Texas, which happens to be the cowboy capital of the world. So we're out here checking out the sites, seeing what they got, going through the downtown. It looks pretty cool, the main street, a lot of history here. But it's a great place to visit, and we're going to be coming back some more, but this is the first time we've ever been out here and wanted to check it out and see what they got. All right, it's a really hot day out here and the sun is right in my face, but this is another spot where rideshare took me, man. These rideshare adventures, can't believe it. Go to different places I ain't never been to before. Can anybody tell where I'm at? Huh? Can you? This is the Bandera County Courthouse behind me right there, and this is the main street. There's a lot going on, a lot of old-time rustic. Pretty cool, but yeah, it's real surprising. All the places that we'll go to, you'll never know where we're gonna be next. With the rideshare, we go where the ride takes you. Where the ride takes you. This is one of the memorials. They have lots of these memorials up here. This one's for cowboys. Memorial for cowboys. It's Bandera. What do you expect? You gotta have a memorial for the cowboys. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Great, amazing drive out here. The landscapes through the hill country. I actually came by way of Bernie and then down 46. So we got a long ride in the hill country through the trees and twists and turns. It's pretty cool. But yeah, you never know where you're gonna end up. And I'm probably gonna go walk around over here and see a couple of shops, see what they got. Check out what's going on in Bandera.